Respiration. Pulmonary ventilation. Textbooks. Guyton and Hall. Textbook of Medical Physiology. 11th edition. Pages 469 to 482. Textbooks. Guyton and Hall. Textbook of Medical Physiology. A South Asian edition. 2013. Pages 309 to 482. John West. Respiratory Physiology, The Essentials. Edition 2008. You can listen to West's lectures, Respiratory Physiology, The Essentials, on YouTube. Definition of Respiration. The physiological definition of respiration. Respiration is the exchange of oxygen and carbon dioxide between the atmosphere, external environment of body, and the body cells. The goals of respiration are to provide oxygen to the tissues and to remove carbon dioxide. In physiology, respiration is the movement of oxygen from the outside environment to the cells within tissues, and the transport of carbon dioxide in the opposite direction. Examples of external environment of body: fresh air, gas of respiration machine, scuba gas, gas of aircraft's environmental, and others. The biochemical definition of respiration. The physiological definition of respiration differs from the biochemical definition, which refers to a metabolic process by which an organism obtains energy, in the form of ATP and NADP, by oxidizing nutrients and releasing waste products. Although physiologic respiration is necessary to sustain cellular respiration and thus life in animals, the processes are distinct. Cellular respiration takes place in individual cells of the organism, while physiologic respiration concerns the diffusion and transport of metabolites between the organism and the external environment. The physiological definition of respiration should not be confused with the biochemical definition of respiration. In biochemistry there are concepts of aerobic respiration and anaerobic respiration. In physiology there are no such terms. Doctor breathing, lung ventilation only. In physiology there are no such terms. Theobald Chartrand, René Laennec, National Library of Medicine, Bethesda, Maryland, USA. Fayer's Textbook of Pediatrics, 1922, showing the direct method of auscultation being used on an infant. Difference between breathing and respiration in physiology. Does respiration mean breathing? Respiration is not the same as breathing. The act of breathing is ventilation of lungs. The goals of respiration are to provide oxygen to the tissues and to remove carbon dioxide. To achieve these goals, respiration can be divided into four major functions. 1. Pulmonary ventilation, which means the inflow and outflow of air between the atmosphere and the lung alveoli. 2. Diffusion of oxygen and carbon dioxide between the alveoli and the blood. 3. Transport of oxygen and carbon dioxide in the blood. 4. Diffusion of oxygen and carbon dioxide between the blood and body fluids to and from the body's tissue cells.